some people need to take a break. To be honest, I don't even believe that the majority of XRP users are affected. We're doing fairly well. Let's be honest. If anyone is doing well in the cryptocurrency space, it's us. Every day, XRP continues to beat the larger cryptocurrency market and exhibit amazing strength. Everyone else without XRP seems to be shivering on the sidelines in the meanwhile. Here's a question, though. Could you share in the comments why anyone in the XRP community is even somewhat afraid? Really? Please explain it to me. Are you sick of phony gurus who pretend to be knowledgeable traders but never engage in live trading? I trade live on the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange, where results are unfake and everything is clear. I have continuously closed each month in profit for more than 440 days. My followers have made over 70% profit with only 4% drawdown in the last 90 days alone. Results that have been verified, not just claims. You want to view my verified statistics? Start duplicating my trades for free right now by clicking the first link in my profile. According to this same researcher, XRP might increase by at least 10 times from now, reaching $20. Isn't that bold? I don't make price forecasts myself. To be completely honest, I have no idea where the price of XRP will be at the end of this cycle. All I know is that I'm absolutely certain it's going to go much higher. And the notion that XRP might reach $20, not crazy at all. As a matter of fact, that is completely feasible. Now, let me be clear before we continue. Nothing I say should be interpreted as financial advice because I am not a financial counselor and have no background in the field. Always conduct independent research before acting. Bitcoin remains stable at $81,856, while XRP is trading at $2.17. This is just another day of sideways movement in the cryptocurrency space. I understand, though, that things may feel particularly erratic in the last few days. Yes, that is accurate. The problem is that this level of volatility is entirely typical. Nothing unusual is happening here. It could feel intense, crazy, even nerve-wracking, so take a little break. In the past, nothing out of the ordinary has occurred. Crypto is just being crypto. Yes, there is a sense of fear. At the moment, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is 34 out of 100. That is definitely a place to be afraid. Not to mention that we have been in the extreme fear zone for a large portion of the past few days. Here's the good news, though. We will swing the other way and find ourselves savoring tremendous greed once more at some point. Trust me, it will happen. It's gonna happen, I promise. I simply cannot give you the precise time. Take a look at this post from Steve, a chart analyst for crypto. The XRP chart is shown here. And just before the big reveal that we've all been anticipating, Steve adds, "Really? Buddy, you're giving up on XRP? Some maybe." Recently, there's been selling, and to be honest, I have no idea what's going through their minds. Hey, it's up to them. For my part, I'm clinging. Until we reach price discovery above the all-time high, I will not sell a single XRP. In a sense, we've already won because we've already broken a new record high. But when the market really takes off, that's the actual moment I'm waiting for, the one that will finally convince me to sell. I am aware that you're also anticipating it. This cycle is going to see price discovery. It's unbelievable to me that this is it. The likelihood is that XRP will barely reach a new all-time high before stagnating for years until the next bull run. No, that doesn't seem at all likely. This is getting much higher. For instance, Steph is sticking to his forecast that XRP would surge above $30. Courageous? Yes. Not possible? Absolutely not. I hope he's correct. We'll find out in time. However, not everyone is feeling particularly hopeful. For instance, consider Nirun. Recently, he contacted chart analyst Bobby A. Yee, who is among the best analysts I follow. And he was spot on, I must say. He foresaw the XRP breakout long before it really occurred. And he was absolutely correct. However, Nero 1 isn't feeling the love at the moment, writing an XRP just hit a new low. That is this market's roller coaster, isn't it? I have nothing against Nero 1. I don't know him, but it's a good example of how rapidly opinions can change. There is euphoria for a minute. The next, uncertainty appears. This is what it means to genuinely rely on your instincts. The type of persons who write such things, to be honest, I don't believe they understand. They don't even appear to understand the fundamentals of market psychology, let alone the extreme volatility that characterizes cryptocurrency, particularly for holders of XRP. Volatility by itself isn't a warning light that something is seriously amiss. If anything, XRP's foundation gets stronger with time. Therefore, there is no need to fear when the price drops, which is inevitable because no market rises in a perfect straight line. It's really time for someone to relax. Bobby was spot on when he replied to my reply. XRP went from being under 30 cents to over $2, brother. The growth of markets is not linear. Are you unable to observe the backtesting? Relax, he's entirely correct. Important levels from not one but two bull cycles ago are being retested by XRP. Even the high from the previous cycle is being retested. Wait a minute, we'll go into more detail about that. A chart analyst has pulled up something intriguing for me. He seems to have made the right call. I'll take it out of one of these tabs. This is the offer. At 28 cents, XRP fell to its lowest point in June 2022. Looking ahead to the present, we are safely above $2. And that was following a decline in XRP. Take a moment to process that. It's amazing. Its strength is demonstrated by this, particularly when the rest of the market isn't doing so well. However, XRP, it is flourishing. Amazing, isn't it? I'll tell you this. Jevon Marks, a chart analyst who has a history of accurate forecasts, recently emphasized the breakout. He stated in a post a few days ago that the numbers speak for themselves, regardless of the noise that may be present. He's correct, too. And XRP's USD chart was mentioned in that post. On September 11, 2024, he published, "Now that we have hindsight, it is evident. We are witnessing a unique development. When XRP reached a new all-time high on January 16th of this year, we knew we were onto something. However, if we go back to September 11th of last year, that result was still only a notion. Consider what was said at the time, even if XRP didn't really take off until about 2 months later. Whatever one's thoughts on the chart at the time, it was displaying XRP, confirming several hidden bull divergences. This arrangement suggested a possible 500% increase to $3.31 and a significant breakout of a resistance pattern that lasted almost 7 years. Let's face it, it sounded bold, if not unreal, to demand a 500% gain when XRP had been sluggishly growing for the most of the previous 10 years. But you know what? It took place. That's the problem with cryptocurrency. It's common for predictions that sound absurd one day to come true the next. Let me just say this, if 20 XRP seems like a pipe dream. Although I can't promise it will occur this cycle, once it happens, it's not impossible. People will pretend that it was always clear. In this space, things always go like that. The best part of this voyage, I'll tell you, we still have a ways to go. By no means are we finished with this cycle. Do not simply accept it from me. Crypto Michael is also in agreement. This man understands. Another expert who had it spot on is this